I bought this 2013 Honda Civic. Let's see if it's worth fixing or scrapping. Another flipper scrap video. This 2013 Honda Civic arrived this week. We're going to look it over. No sense looking it over right here. I can't fully walk around it. I'll pull it into the parking lot. First thing with any scrap vehicle or repair vehicle, does it run? I do have a key, so that's great. Let's see. It runs. So I do hear some exhaust noise. I do see various lights on. Not the full Christmas tree, but how many kilometers on this? Oh wow. 380,000 kilometers. So something like that does hinder the value of the car. Let's have a look to see what these are worth, like the general range on Canada Trader. As you can see here, there is a range from around $3,000 to $12,000. This being a high kilometer car, I'd be automatically looking at it at the lower scale. When we pull the car out, we'll take a walk around. Time for the little quick walk around. There's an obvious item we see. Rocker panel is gone on this side. Bumper cover looks good. Headlights are a little hazy. Rocker's gone on this side as well. You hear the crunching of the snow. It's spring here, but not quite warm yet. Needs a little work back here. Tear in the bumper cover. Check out the interior. Usual dirty. Might be able to clean it up. Does smell like wet dog and cigarettes. We'll pop the hood and take a look. It's complete. It has its converter. It's an original catalytic converter. Coloration on the alternator. It's an aftermarket alternator. Although it was running. It does have a well. Okay, as we decide, I'm going to bring it in the garage and have a look underneath. Let's start with a rocker panel view. We have the outside, definitely gone. I don't know if you can get replacement rockers for this. When we look underneath, there is at least something to weld to under here. Yeah, let's look back. Goes up the dog leg. Bigger repair. Chances are it'll be bad inside here as well. And you do see some holes there. Underneath it's pretty crusty. Ooh, we got another hole here. So this is behind, I'm guessing it's part of the subframe or part of the rear of the floor. So we'll do some poking. Okay. That's a significant repair. Definitely a lot of work to fix this. Let's talk about it some more. Car's back on the ground. Looking at the floor, it's a big repair. I'm not going to pull the wheels off and take a look at them to see what the brakes are like. I can already assume it probably needs brakes. You can pretty much count on brake work for every vehicle you buy, especially if you buy it for scrap. I paid $300 for this car. And again, I buy them as scrap. If I can save them, great. If I can't, that's okay too. Let's check out some math on this car. Let's do a little breakdown. It's a 2013 Civic with 380,000 kilometers on it. In my area, fixed up, that will be worth about $3,000. Canadian. We know right now from the video, for me, car is too rotten to fix. How about you? Would you fix it? But let's break it down a little further. If I was to fix it, we can count on about $1,000 to $1,200 worth of parts. That would be brake work, brakes, tires, used tires, of course, rocker panels, cleanup of the car, mystery items, other little random repairs. How many hours? It'd be a lot. Because the metal work alone, you look underneath the car, it needs that floor work, which would be a big job. For me, again, I go back to, I scrap vehicles, I fix vehicles. So again, I fix or I scrap. I don't restore. In this car is a restoration. When you look at the condition of the floor underneath, I don't mind putting a rocker panel on a car or replacing some body panels. But when it gets into deep underneath work, it's no fun. It's a lot of work. It uncovers other issues. And one of those things where the car simply isn't worth putting on the road. This model car, there's a lot of them in my area, but there's not a lot of them for parts. So this car will yield good results as a scrap car. I paid $300 for this car. It's gonna be no problem getting that and more back. Going back to the early question, what would you do? Would you fix it? Would you scrap it? I guess it really depends. If I was super stuck for a car and I needed one, I may fix it up. But still, it's a pretty rotten car. With that, since I am scrapping it, do you want to see an update video where I show what was sold off the car, the hours, and the profit from scrapping this car? Let me know. Thanks. To give a little update, I posted the car yesterday on Marketplace for parts. Trailing arm sold, and a lot of the airbag components. Stuff does sell pretty quick on these.